Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming to you with another wonderful and powerful weight loss video for you today. Now, in this video, you guys, I'm telling you, this is how my journey started in losing my weight. But this concoction that I'm going to make is even more powerful, and I'm telling you, you're going to see, you're going to feel the effects in your body. Now, we're going to be working with some really great ingredients that are fat burning, that is going to help shrink that fat cells in your stomach. This is doing it for your body. So let me show you the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need 2 lemons. You're going to need your baking soda. You're also going to need some organic honey. You're going to be using, of course, my favorite, the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and also some cinnamon powder. Okay, if you don't have the cinnamon powder and you have the cinnamon sticks can work. It's just going to take a little bit longer time for you to steep the sticks, but it's best that you use the powder in this video. Alright, so we're going to be using boiled water today. So my water is on the stove boiling. So once our water is finished boiling, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so we are back. Our water finished boiling, and now we're just going to pour into our regular cup. You're going to pour your water. Okay, make sure when you use your apple cider vinegar that you shake it up very well and mix that mother up inside of it. But we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of our apple cider vinegar. So now I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of my ground cinnamon powder. Okay, so now we're going to squeeze our lemon juice inside of our teacup. And you're going to use the juice of both of your lemons. If you don't have lemons, you can use the real lemon juice, and you would use 2 tablespoons of that. If not, use 2 full lemons. More powerful. Alright, y'all, so since this cup is really getting full, I'm going to transfer my stuff over to a bigger mug. Now I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of my baking soda and put that in there. Just know that your tea or your drink will fuzz, so make sure you put your stuff in a big enough mug. Now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of my organic honey. And make sure your drink is cool enough, not piping hot, when you put in your honey. And that's it, you guys. And there you have it, you guys. A powerful morning detox tea that's going to get rid of the gook in your stomach. It's going to clean out your colon. It's going to have you running to the bathroom. Now, you start your morning with your concoction drink. You can make this up to 3 times a day. But for the next 2 drinks, do not use your cinnamon, okay? 1 teaspoon that was put in there is what you're supposed to have for the day. Do not put your cinnamon in your next 2 concoctions for the day. Only do that 1 teaspoon once a day, just how it says in the ingredients. But if you choose that you want to drink this before your lunch and also before your dinner, exclude the cinnamon. If you want to add the cinnamon initially, then take down your portions. Do 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you're going to have it 2 to 3 times a day, only use 1/4 of your cinnamon. If you're going to do this 3 times a day, if it's 1 time a day, only use 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, okay? And it's that simple, you guys. This is a drink that you can drink until you see your weight slimming down. You can have this every single day. Definitely start your morning off this way, and then you continue during the afternoon, before your breakfast, before your lunch, 20 minutes before each meal. And if you implement this along with eating a healthy meal, you will see at least 2 to 3 pounds of weight loss each day. Okay, every 2 days you will see at least 3 pounds of weight shedding off your body. So this is definitely something for you to use. This is how I lost my 50 pounds within 4 to 5 months. No exercise, just eating healthy, taking care of my body, and drinking my Bragg's concoction. But this is a more powerful way of drinking it that's going to help to stir you up, raise your metabolism, get your intestines going, and you'll be able to eliminate all of the excess food in your body. This is also going to regulate your pH balance. It's going to detox your body, flush it out, and also it's great for high blood pressure as well as diabetes. So also check with your doctor first if you're on any medications, just as a precaution. But I tell you, this is powerful. And also don't forget to check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, family vlogs, as well as fashion hauls, okay? And thank you again, and until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.